Hi, Mike and Vincent. All right, I'm going to show you how to log into Seesaw and access the activities for today. So here is Vincent's login page. So first you want to go to this website, https://app.seesaw.me. And then you're going to choose I'm a student, and then you're going to put in his code. I think you guys already know how to do this, but just to make sure. All right, so I copied it and I'm going to paste it in. So I'm going to go in like I'm him. So I'm a student here. Go. Okay. So then here you can see that on his page, he has first day of school. Oh, sorry. This is activities tab right here. And there's a 5 because there's 5 activities. So the one that I really want you to look at first is the schedule. So you can either press on the picture or you can press on the green button for the schedule. So here, like here, you would press on this to go to our 9 a.m. meeting. So the next meeting we have is at 11, so you can just press on the link. These are the 2 activities for you to do, and I think you were having some trouble with the first day jitters one, so I'll show you that one. Okay, so if you go to the first day jitters activity, what you want to do is add response. So you click that green button, add response. So here, you're not going to add anything on this page. What you're going to do here is listen to the story by clicking this link. After you've listened to the story, so let's pretend we clicked on the link. So let's pretend you're done. So you're going to go up here to the X and press, oops, you can't see that. Sorry, let me move my screen. You're going to go up here and press the X. And then what you're going to do is go to page 2. So here, I'm going to move this down so you can see. Down here, you've got these tools. So you're going to draw a picture of yourself. So Vincent can choose a pencil or a marker or a highlighter or another kind of pen, and he can draw a picture. So let's say he wants to draw. Ooh, but maybe he wants a different color. And maybe he wants the pencil. So here, I'm just, making this up. So there's a picture of himself. And then for I feel, he can go to the text box and type nervous or whatever he wants to type. And then when you click on the outside, you can move it down. You can, so it says draw a picture of yourself, complete the sentence for how you feel today, circle the face for how you felt. So he can circle it with anything. So you could circle it with this or this or this. So let's say maybe he felt nervous. So he could circle nervous. And then he would click the green button to turn it in. So hopefully that's helpful. Email me and let me know if you need any other help. Okay, good luck, you guys.